Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2015 Honda Goldwing with 8,367 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a California sidecar TRIKE kit, highway pegs, passenger armrest, luggage rack, National Cycles wind deflectors, Koreac and driver floorboards, heel-toe shifter, Koreac and ISO grips with throttle assist, and it comes equipped with cruise control, heated grips, heated seats, and electronic suspension, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, navigation, and electronic locking luggage. Backed by bulletproof reliability and modern power, the Goldwing is the pinnacle of the metric touring class and is powered by a 6-cylinder 1832cc engine, putting 118 horsepower and 120 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it has a 29.1-inch seat height and weighs in at 904 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.